Question 7 of this exercise says a batch of bottles were packed in 25 boxes with 12 bottles in each box. If the same batch is packed using 20 bottles in each box, how many boxes would be filled? So the number of boxes that are given in the question is 25 and 12 bottles are there in each box. So when we increase the number of bottles in each box to 20, the number of boxes will be less, which means they are in inverse proportion. So let's take the number of boxes as A, bottles in each box as B, and we know that A is inversely proportional to B. A equals to K multiplied by 1 by B. So from here we'll get the value of K, which is A multiplied by B, and K is any constant, and we know the value of A, that is 25. We know the value of B, that is 12. So K will be 25 multiplied by 12, which is same as 300. And we know that K equals to A multiplied by B. We know the value of K, that is 300. We know the value of B, that is 20. We can find the value of A, which is 300 divided by 20, which is same as 15. So if there are 20 bottles in each box, the number of boxes will be 15.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.